This is the story of the time when my friends and I visited Puerto Rico, climbed to the top of this massive rainforest, and here's how it went. So the trip started off like every other trip, but we'll just skip past all the boring stuff.
Good night.
Welcome to Southwest Airlines.
Oh, wait.
Show them the MTV cribs right now. Show them your setup.
Show my fit, bro.
Where we got monochrome. Oh, your whole water was on here. I forgot.
Are you dumb or dumb?
Not all of it.
All over.
We're good.
It's on my toes.
Guys, what's the setup?
You just spilled all my water.
I spilled like literally not even a quarter of it.
Listen,
So what's the setup?
isn't this plane like a lot bigger than the last one we were on?
Nah, they're all the same.
There's no way this is the same.
It just felt smaller, I think.
This one's like
It's a 737, most common commercial airline plane.
No,
Just saying.
the seats are-
Now the seats are different, but yo, y'all let us know in the comments how big.
Oh, what now?
I mean, how big the plane is. How big the plane is. How like in comparison from last time. I mean, as Apollo 1027 does say in his song, 737 on the takeoff.
He does say that.
747 waiting for me. I'll fly away today.
The road here in the back.
What's up?
When you find the road that you'd like to
Nah, go to
take,
sleep.
follow the way to that road out of the main aisle and allow those passengers behind you to continue to board. Make sure you're placing.
Why are we Never mind.
Why are we what?
Never
Why are
mind.
we what? But this is part 2, man. We back in the same spot, bro.
Ay, ay, el que esté libre de pecado que tire una piedra y yo tiro un peñón. Yo tiro un peñón, anoche soñé contigo y me levanté gruñón. Bebiendo desde temprano, Dios me cuide el hígado y riñón. Ey, 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 extrañando todas las noches.
Oh, that's where we're going.
Holy
Yeah.
That's where we're going?
De caverna y miñón, ahora eres de fuego como el gatañón. Y en el cora me dejaste el gran cañón, tú y yo éramos.
Dumbass dude ruined the fucking shot, bro. Fuck that dude. Okay, so we just made it to the parking. It's 10:16 right now. Yeah. So then we'll see how far we. Oh, look at that.
That's where we're going.
You're lying. That's crazy.
I'm honestly kind of like really good.
Yeah, I'm chilling right now, to be honest.
No, I'm not. This isn't like for the video. This ain't no joke right now. Like,
You hear the monkeys?
This is not monkeys.
What kind of, Maddie, what kind of what, Lizzie? Now that we are documenting what you were saying, can we just get one little, take back of what you said?
Asking what kind of animals
On
live
camera?
here.
Yeah, and then what was the specific type of animal
I
you
was
said?
asking if monkeys lived here.
And then what did you call them after you found out they were monkeys? Alright guys, we made it to the start of the hike. This is Mount Britain. Check back in. And these motherfuckers are dying right here.
Twisted, baby, I'm a goner. I'm a monster. Don't listen to what I say, cause I say things that I don't mean. When the liquor speak, don't wanna break you pretty hard, cause
Little update.
I'm
Nice.
okay. I'm better than I thought I'd be.
Yeah, I think that's pretty self-explanatory.
dude, fuck that.
You wanna fuck that?
Fuck dinner. He's just got water dripping from his. Fuck him, man.
Guys, we're here. Oh my god. Look at that. What is this? Yo, watch out for the gaga water right here. Moment of truth. This is what it was all for.
so let's go back to how could come on the blackened afternoon. I see your eyes beating down, let me bleed and steady
drive a
fucking
boat.
Look at this shit. I got this life jacket on. Guys, they were totally lying. We're not even gonna get wet. Smooth, not even a bumpy ride, guys.
Don't know about that one.
tell you, no correction, but you got my favorite boat. Alright, so you like a favorite. Alright?
Okay.
The favorite boat. Oh, we going out there to the blue. Oh my god. Amanda put that bitch in full throttle.
It's back to the roots with this one. Yeah, I feel like Whitney Cologne. Okay, the throne is mine for the taking. Whenever my song come on, all the ladies get to moving and shaking. If I ever wanted, I claim it. Don't give me a word, I'ma break it. My pockets won't ever be vacant. They never thought I would make it. Shake, 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 senora. Swear nobody could do it like you. In Miami, posted with the crew. Lately, I've been on my Uncle Lou.
Yeah, it'd be cool, like all the studies.
At least now I know what it feels like to get railed.
Sometimes the time is worth wasting. Some heartbreaks are worth braving. I know, you know, you know. I just wanna get closer, closer to your body than somebody else. I just wanna get closer, closer to your body than nobody else.
It's just so beautiful, bruh. I'm not even Puerto Rican, bruh. I be feeling a little cultural sometimes. Ya tú sabes.
Ya tú sabes.